Antayin mo natin na magharap ni J.J. Hildebrand and Dave Shelp. There's Robert Morgan, 2 minutes, 48 seconds. J.J. Houston pa kayo. Nagpumaboses. J.J. Houston lang.
Man, ba nangali ka ha? Nangali ka na. Okay, mapalitan kita. Okay lang.
Come on, right over for Trey! 49-51, ayan. Diet Center looking for the equalizer. Same all. Same all po tayo. 2 minutes, 21 seconds. Nice defense, number 5.
Huwag ka na tumulong doon. Yan lang sa'yo.
And Malik! Wala nang humabol. 2-5, Sayan, take lang tayo. Where is your number 5, Malik? Deadlock na po tayo. Binal wide open! Binawi agad yung Binal. 53-51. We have a high scoring ball game. Llanera for Troy! Bingo! Llanera, Troy! Sandali lang, may foul na tinawag. Call is player number 27. First personal foul, number 27, Pinto. Okay. Warning for penalty. Entering penalty na po ang Diet Center. Para ba sa wide open? Malakas! Ayan, labang na! Power 6 through the drive! 55 seconds! Labang na po ang Diet Center. Hang on again, the white shirt. Llanera and Juniper. Go to the player number 7, Tongo. Second personal foul. 36-53, labang na po ng tatlo ang Salitusion. Wala pa pong penalty ha. Wala pa po tayong penalty. Up shooting? Okay. Up shooting. 41-28. Okay, to pick up the awarded to Llanera. 56-53. Nabaliktad na po ang score. Yun. A big triple shot by Llanera. Kanina. Air ball. Okay. 41-28. 57-53. 4-point lead by Diet Center. Another steal and there's an equal. Calling his player number 6. Penalty there. Llanera, third personal foul, number 6. Third personal na po si Llanera. Alvarado, first rib is good. Okay, got in the lead, down to Trey. Save right, good. Okay. 2-point lead. 30 seconds. Again, Linnea Boutroy. Short. And still alive. 20 seconds. Balila. 12 seconds. 10. 5 seconds. And that's enough for the third period. 39-55. Lamang po ang dive center for the semi-final round between Almansoria and Dive Center.
Parin-bal. Kanina bal. Yung ginawa kanina, mali ako na bumaba agad ako. Isa na baba sa amin. Isa lang naman magpasa-bababa. Pag may isa tumalaksak. Kung nararamdaman nyo ha, ang tawag. Manipis o. Tapos dito kay Balor.
Oh, there's round the ball game.
Last quarter. Bigyan nyo na ha. Sabay mo na to. Diretso na eh.
Okay, lipat tayo ng araw, mamaya, sa puti naman. So, Balila. Here comes again, Mallet! Ayun, last touch right, according to referee, Abdullah. Gonzales, nagmamadaling. Kick out pass to Ana Cosa, back to Gonzales. Damn! Foul! Ang itinawag on number 10, Gonzales. Second personal foul on Gonzales. Dalawa na si Gonzales. Wala pa rin. Tatlo, 2-2. 2 points, right, final. Ayan, dalawa na lang. Okay, holding foul. Number 22, Vasquez. Third personal foul on Vasquez. Team foul number 2. Mallet, nilapit, side square, good! Ang lupit nun. Parang kakapiraso lang yung talon, ha?